In the video today, I want to show you how to reset your Samsung Galaxy A37 back to factory settings. The first thing you'll want to do is swipe down from the top of the screen, and you'll want to tap on the settings wheel in the upper right corner. This will take you to the settings app. We're going to swipe up and first go to accounts and backup. Go to manage accounts, and then you'll want to remove all of the Google accounts on the phone. I'm going to tap on this account here and hit remove account and remove. The reason you need to do this is because if you're planning to sell the phone or return the phone to the store you bought it at, basically if the phone is no longer going to be in your control, when you try to set up the phone again, it is going to ask you for the password of that Google account. And if you don't have that password, it's not going to let you into the phone. So you have to make sure that you remove the Google account first so it doesn't brick the phone for the next person who needs to use it. All right. So now that that's done, we're going to tap on reset at the bottom of the screen. Swipe up, go to factory data reset. And it's going to show you all the accounts that are still signed into the phone. Tap reset. Now, it's not going to fully reset because I still have my Samsung account that is still on the phone. So watch this. If I try to hit delete all, it's going to kick me over to my Samsung account that I'm going to have to sign out of first. Now here it's giving me a prompt. It's saying, hey, we're going to send you a text message to confirm you are the account holder, to make sure that someone else is not trying to sign you out of the account. So you'll hit confirm, and then you'll want to check your text messages on your phone. Now, before you put that code in, you will need to put in the password of your Samsung account. And if you don't remember it, instead of putting the passcode in, you can always hit verify with one-time email. Tap here, and it will take you to your inbox, and it will send you an email to verify that you are the account holder of that email address. So we can finalize removing our information to start the factory reset process. Now, if you have a passcode on the phone or a PIN, it is going to ask you to put that in before it starts the reset process as well. So keep in mind, if you don't have that, then that's also going to be something you'll have to get first. The very last thing is, in order to do this reset, your phone is going to have to be above 30% battery life. If it is below 30%, Samsung won't even let you start the reset because there is the issue of what if your battery dies in the process of it doing the reset. If that were to happen, it can brick the phone and basically make it unusable. This is why your phone has to be above 30%. All right, so I was able to hit the final one-time verification on my other phone where I got the email, and now it has kicked the factory reset right into gear. Now at this point, there's nothing else you need to do. Let the phone sit. It's going to restart a couple of times. First, it's going to erase all the data off the phone. Then it's going to set it up like a brand new phone. So you don't need to do anything. Just wait until it finishes. And on the main screen, when it's done, it'll say welcome, and then it will ask you to select a language. All right. I hope you guys found this helpful. If it was, bump that like button down below. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.